Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 3.1.1. Given 4 minus 2x less than 16, where x is an element of real numbers, solve the inequality. What do? We have 4 minus 2x less than 16. So we can subtract 4 from both sides of the inequality. So it becomes negative 2x less than 16 minus 4. Like if you transpose 4 to the right hand side, becomes negative 4. Then this is negative 2x less than 12. Okay. Then if you divide by a negative number, divide both sides by a negative number, the inequality sign changes. So it becomes x greater than negative 6. If you divide the inequality by a negative number, the inequality sign changes.